Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. As you can see, and just exactly as the write-up suggested, this is a continuation of my time in La Casa de Papa. Looking at this signboard, it says Laguna Park, which shows the area that was opposite where I had stayed in my time in La Casa de Papa. This is actually called the Lagoon area. It's a beautiful serene area. I think you're going to enjoy it because it has a lot to offer, and of course, just as they were in the clip that you watched, if you had watched my part 1, there are actually very interesting clips that you want to pay attention to in this part 2. This is going to be showcasing a lot of things that this area has got to offer, you know, looking at the palm trees, the beautiful area, the lodges, the serene view, something that a lot of people will love to spend their time and witness. I think I have an idea of what people look out for when they're looking for remote locations to spend time at. So this place is actually where you want to be. Of course, the most important thing you need to know about this place, the kayaking. I'm sure you've seen the boat, the kayaking boat, the lagoon river that comes downstream into this area. Of course, that's the point of focus. It's something that is very interesting. I think you don't want to go anywhere. You want to pay some serious attention to this video and enjoy all he's got to offer. Like I said earlier, it's something that has a lot to offer. It goes beyond just the lagoon experience. I'm not going to mention them because of course I don't want you to go anywhere. I want you to be here, right here with me, and enjoy every experience one step at the way.
It's blue.
Guys, I'm done with doing kayaking. I woke up this morning, I decided that, well, let me try and have some adventure to do some boat ride. This is unlike the one that brought me here. That one had a machine, but this is rowing yourself, and it was fun, very massive fun. I never really thought I was going to enjoy this place the most much I've enjoyed it, and I'm so happy. It was a wonderful stuff, and I can say that this was a worth visit. A visit that was totally worth it. See how beautiful the whole place is. I'm sure you can see for yourself and make justice of what you think. But I think you should come and visit here, La Casa de Papa. So yeah, just in case you're contemplating turning off your screen, this is what a view again of what my apartment in La Casa looks like. And just in case you're contemplating turning off your screen, tuning into other social media interests, I would like to remind you that there's something very interesting coming up, which is a view of what it feels like to fish from the ocean. I got to fish with the locals, and I'm sure that's something that you're very much interested in. Stay tuned and just watch out for the next clip. Thank you. Guys, I'm sure you probably know by now that there's never a dull moment with your favorites. Truth is, there's a lot of activities here at La Casa, and you just get to choose what you want to involve yourself in. I had seen the locals fishing a couple of days ago, and today was a beautiful day for me to think about how I could potentially join them. It's an interesting activity, and of course, it's probably something you want to get to find out how it goes about. Because at the end of the day, this is actually fishing from the ocean, not some mediocre stream in the backyard. And I'm sure you're probably interested in finding out how it goes, because from the video clip you're probably seeing, you're thinking, what are they fishing for? Maybe some type of whale or some very big fish. Stay tuned as usual. Hi guys, so we are here trying to catch a very big fish. We started all the way from far beyond the resort, pulling this rope up to this side, and it's been fun experience. You can see that we're using songs to do the fishing here. See how far we've come. Pull this rope. This rope is more than maybe how many kilometers long, and the inspiration here is such that they even use music to motivate everyone. I've been pulling as well, hoping to see the big catch that we've caught. A very big pool at the beach here. We've been at it for over, I think, about an hour now, pulling and pulling. All my hands are hurting, but it's part of the experience of traveling to another foreign country, being with people of different tribes. I don't know what their tribe is, and they speak French actually, but I'm just here to help out. I'll keep you guys posted once the fish is out. Guys, we're still at it. Almost 20 minutes gone and still pulling. I already feel a lot of muscle spasm on my hand. And this is some serious old way of fishing, because pulling all of this out of the water, they said they caught a lot of fish and we haven't seen it yet. But I'm still anticipating to make a video when the fish actually start coming out. You can see the length of the fishing line. So long from when we started pulling it up until this point, and still pulling. They had to create a new knot to pull out this one so that they can keep pulling out the rest. Fishing is a beautiful art, and probably something that the average person should probably look forward to. But of course, it was taking a lot of time for us to get our catch out of the ocean. So why waste all that time when I could actually make the most of it by heading to the point of no return? Trust me, it's a beautiful place, some place that captures the area where slaves were sold in Benin Republic. No, of course, I would not let go of our fishing opportunity. I hope to be able to come back in time just to meet up with when our catch has been brought to shore. In the meantime, I would still like you to, of course, stay tuned and don't go anywhere. Let's see what the point of no return has got to offer. Thank you. So guys, we are here at the point of no return. Remember, this is still Benin. We are still vlogging this place, and this is where slaves were sold. Usually when they capture the slaves, they bring them to this point. take them either to Europe or to the Americas, and they usually don't come back. So that's why this place was named the point of no return. You can see that there's a memorial here that is created in memory of here, which means it's probably been standing here for more than 50 years since when they built this memorial. This is a remembrance of what took place here. A lot of slaves were sold here, and yeah, so let's just go and have a closer look.
So this means memorial of the Grand Jubilee of the year 2000, and it's homage to the first messengers of the gospel at Dahomey. So it's now like a missionary, it's like a missionary monument. You know, although this is where I can return.
So guys, I've come to the end of my stay. It was a very wonderful experience. Of course, you watched the vlog and I'm sure you got to see everything about this place. I'm really happy I had a very great experience. This is something that I would love to repeat next time. It's unfortunate, I would have loved to stay longer, you know, but everything has an end. And this is the end of this one. If you watched it to the end of this video, I want to say thank you, and just remember that there are also wonderful vlog videos as well that are on my channel. You should look them up and also enjoy. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment. Let me see what you got to say. Goodbye.